Covax, or Global COVID-19 Vaccine Facility, a global mechanism for the development, manufacture and procurement of COVID-19 vaccine candidates, will be giving Vietnam 18 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine this year. This was announced at the press meeting held by the European Union delegation in Vietnam on Tuesday. On the eve of the day, the first batch of vaccines will be distributed to Vietnam through this mechanism. Representative of the EU delegation said that Vietnam is not in a very urgent situation given the low number of people infected with COVID-19. However, the move is aimed to meet the efforts and desires of the Vietnamese government in bringing vaccines to the people. By the end of this year, 18 million doses of vaccine will have been delivered to Vietnam to cover about 15% of the population. Specifically, nearly 1.4 million doses will be handed over on Thursday and 2.8 million doses in April. Amid the tireless battle with COVID-19, medical professionals have continued to be the warriors at the front lines of the fight against the pandemic. In addition to the doctors and nurses who are directly involved in the treatment of COVID-19 patients, there is also the medical staff who play a very important role in fighting the virus spread. They are the workers who conduct epidemiological investigations. In the following report, we'll meet one of them.
2020 was an unforgettable year for Dr. Trần Anh Tú. He was involved in almost all of the major outbreaks in the country and was tasked with epidemiological investigation and tracing from Mê Linh to Da Nang and recently in Hải Dương province. Tú is the youngest member of the COVID-19 Special Task Force of the National Steering Committee for COVID-19 Prevention and Control.
My first time being part of the task force was in Hạ Lôi, Mê Linh, when Associate Professor Trần Như Dương, trainer for the voluntary medical staff in the COVID community, asked us about our commitment to the task. We all said that we were determined. It was such a touching moment, like a historical movie when we were fighting the enemy.
The entire epidemic area was quarantined to prevent the spread of the disease to other localities. Quarantine plays a crucial role in keeping the outbreak contained.
With his outstanding achievements, Dr. Tú has received many certificates of merit and awards. He was also one of Vietnam's 10 outstanding young faces in 2020. It is a worthy recognition for his contributions to the fight against COVID-19.
In the most difficult times, the solidarity and humanity of our nation and the youth, especially, are brought into full play. The COVID-19 pandemic is clear evidence of that. Many young doctors are ready to make sacrifices in their lives to commit to the task.
Fighting COVID is a shared mission. It is a great honor to be selected as the representative of the Preventive Medicine Force.